Let's rewind to May 2025. The UK's Solicitors Regulation Authority made headlines by officially approving Garfield AI, the world's first fully AI-operated legal service provider. No human lawyers at the helm, just algorithms trained on statutes and civil procedure, carrying out real legal work. And yes, it's a big deal. Why? Because this AI-driven firm offers a pre-action demand letter for just $2, about the price of a coffee, and a full small claims court filing for $50. For many individuals and small businesses, that's a game changer. Legal fees have long been a barrier to justice, especially for disputes that are too small to justify hiring a traditional lawyer. Garfield AI is breaking that barrier by making legal help financially accessible, but it's not just about lower costs. This shift reflects something deeper, a restructuring of how legal services are delivered. Think about it. Much of what entry-level lawyers do involves repetitive tasks, document generation, filing procedures, statutory checks. Now, AI can handle those with speed and consistency, freeing up human lawyers to focus on complex cases that require strategy, judgment, and advocacy. And this is only the beginning. Garfield AI isn't an outlier. It's a glimpse into where the legal industry is heading, toward automation, scalability, and redefined legal roles. But with innovation comes responsibility. The rise of AI in legal practice introduces tough questions. For example, if an AI drafts a faulty document, who's liable? The software developers, the company, or the end user? This challenge of accountability is central to the legal AI debate. Transparency is another major concern. AI tools may process thousands of legal texts, but they can still miss contextual nuances that human lawyers catch intuitively. Users may not even realize when advice is flawed, because it's still well written and persuasive. Bias is a serious issue too. Studies from Stanford's Center for Research on Foundation Models show that large language models often replicate the biases found in their training data. That means discriminatory or one-sided outcomes could unintentionally emerge in AI-generated legal guidance. Regulators are taking note. The European Union's AI Act categorizes legal advisory systems as high risk, requiring strict transparency, documentation, and human oversight. In the US, platforms like Do Not Pay, originally designed to help users fight parking tickets, have faced lawsuits for allegedly practicing law without a license. These developments highlight the importance of clear boundaries between automation and professional legal counsel. Despite the concerns, the real potential lies in collaboration. Rather than replacing lawyers, AI is becoming their most powerful assistant. For example, global law firm Allen & Overy uses an AI platform called Harvey, built on OpenAI's technology, to conduct contract analysis, legal research, and clause comparisons. The result: increased efficiency, faster insights, and more time for human lawyers to handle the strategic side of their work. This partnership is transforming the role of lawyers. Routine, rule-based tasks are being offloaded to machines. Lawyers, in turn, are doubling down on what makes them irreplaceable, negotiating deals, interpreting complex cases, advising clients through uncertain terrain. And the impact goes beyond high-end firms. Garfield AI is estimated to help recover over $5.8 billion in unpaid debts annually for small UK businesses. That's not just economic recovery, it's access to justice for people and enterprises previously left behind. This evolution isn't about shrinking the legal profession, it's about expanding its reach. AI is helping scale the legal system to meet needs that were once ignored because they were too small, too costly, or too complex to serve efficiently. Let's step back for a moment. What we're witnessing here isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. AI isn't about replacing lawyers, it's about reimagining how legal systems can serve more people, more fairly, more efficiently. But this progress depends on how we use the technology. Building smart systems is one thing. Building fair systems, that's the real challenge. And that means bringing together technologists, lawyers, regulators, and ethicists to shape tools that reflect our values as much as our ambitions. Because at its best, AI isn't just automation, it's amplification. It frees up human minds for deeper thinking and empowers more people to seek justice without fear of overwhelming costs or complexity. The road ahead is still being paved, and it's not without obstacles. Bias, accountability, misinformation, these are real concerns. But with careful design and collaborative leadership, we can build a legal future that's more inclusive, more responsive, and more just. So let's stay curious, let's stay skeptical, but above all, let's stay involved. Because the future of law isn't just being coded, it's being co-authored, one case, one decision, one innovation at a time. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the AI legal frontier. Until next time, keep thinking forward.